Y'all see my face? I like a donut. A glazed donut. Okay, anyway. Welcome back to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Gang, gang.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. I think I'm just ready to turn my channel into a get ready with me channel because I just love doing get ready with me's. But I ain't really doing nothing today. It's spring break, so I just was like, you know what, why not get cute? Why not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, like it, comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. Period. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna stop rambling, and we just gonna hop right into this video. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm not cleaning my room. I'm not making up my bed. None of that. It's spring break. I ain't got nothing to do, but I'm finna do my hair and my makeup, and I'm finna leave the house because it's spring break. I refuse to be in the house. So, Zay, I am recording.
I'm finna rock these.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with my hair, but I'm gonna fill this up because it ain't got much water in it. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using for my hair today is the Eco Styling Gel, the gold kind. And normally I would put more than that on it, but since I wash my hair, I just been putting hella product on it, so it don't need that much more. So I'm just gonna be using gel today. I got more hair than you.
Don't make me embarrass you.
Don't make you do what? I think today I'm finna do the hairstyle that I did the other day, which is like a top knot bun right here, and then the rest of it's curly. So I need to find that part that I had. Oh, there it go. We in there. I need to redo this part. What's the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you? So basically you was a bus boy and you spilled a bus tub. Well, I got a few embarrassing memories. They all from middle school though. It was hat day and I had curly hair, and it was after school. Like all the basketball players would be in the gym, and like all the cheerleaders would be in there too. So you know, if you put on a hat while your hair wet and curly, it's gonna mold like that, right? So this girl came by and snatched my freaking hat off in front of all the freaking basketball players. His phone died. His phone died on me. So if you guys don't know, I have a wardrobe page where I just sell items that I just don't want anymore, which is basically everything. This might sound like a bad habit, but like after I wear things once, I probably won't wear it again. You know, it don't have anything to do with like me being bougie or anything like that. It's just the fact that I have so many clothes that after I wear it, it's like, okay, on to the next. And which I wear pieces sometimes over again, but like if I buy a whole outfit, take a picture in it, I probably won't ever put that outfit back on. So I was just like, you know what? Why not sell this stuff? Like somebody could use this. All my stuff be in good condition. I was like, somebody can use this, you know? And it's finna be hella cheap because I'm not gonna sell it for the regular price, of course. But yeah, I have a wardrobe page where I sell all of that stuff at, and it's called Keisha's Wardrobe. If y'all want some clothes, some cheap, good quality, good condition, fly behind clothes, then that's where y'all can go. So that's that on that. I sold a lot yesterday. I think I sold the most I've ever sold yesterday. And so I have to go to the post office and I have to ship it off. And I was watching this girl page. Her name is Anastasia, How to Become a Boss. It was like some boss video, and she was just basically showing how she shipped her stuff off and like her packaging, her website, and all of that good stuff. And I think I want to do like a video like that to show y'all like the insides, like me going to the post office and just showing y'all how to do it, because I know when I started I didn't have no clue. Like I was just, you know, basically just figuring it out as I go, and that's a good learning process. It makes you appreciate it more. But like, if I can help y'all, I want to help y'all. I haven't made a video like that thus far because I just feel like I'm still trying to perfect my craft. I want to come to y'all when I had a full game. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to come with it when I got it all figured out so that y'all can have it all figured out once I tell y'all. I'm probably just gonna speed all of this up because I want to do a complete separate video about how I define my curls and all of that good stuff. So I'll probably see y'all when I'm done doing my hair. Ooh, Zay at my house. He asked my mama. Y'all, he's so sweet. I gotta ship my stuff off. He went and got the bags. See, you'll be extra sweet if you was to write them up.
Extra sweet and me don't mix.
So I'm back and my hair didn't dry because we were standing outside, but I still gotta do this side. So yeah, that's that. He brought me my bag and he gave me money for lunch. I'm just about to continue doing my hair. I want to watch a movie. Like, I feel like I love watching movies, but I never watch movies. And I be trying to like watch them on Netflix and stuff, but I don't be knowing like the good movies to watch. So then I just be like, bump it. So if y'all got some good movie suggestions on Netflix or anything, just let me know, because I will buy a movie. That's just how much I like movies. Yeah, we got one wet side, one dry side, and it got a little frizzy. I'm finna wet it all over again. And I'm gonna start working on this area. Since I started YouTube, like, and I don't think nobody, I wouldn't notice this, so y'all probably ain't never noticed it, but like, since I started YouTube, like, I would never do videos in like a tank top or whatever, because I was insecure about my dark underarms. And then I had like a bump right here, and that came when I was like, I was young when this came, but it just never went away. I was always so insecure about it. Like, people gonna comment on my underarms. I don't even care no more. This is me. Like, this is me. Actually, they was darker than this, but I've been exfoliating my underarms, so that helps a lot. I exfoliate before and after I shave. I try to exfoliate every night when I get in the shower, but if I don't, definitely every other night. Like, I make sure I exfoliate. So if you're dealing with that problem, which I know a lot of girls do deal with it and just don't talk about it, or, you know, just try to like avoid it like how I did, and just, you know, not wear stuff that shows, then I would just say try to exfoliate. Also, clean your underarms with alcohol. That works. Some of the darkness comes from, like, you know, genetics and all of that, but a lot of it comes from buildup, you know, deodorant and, you know, all of that stuff. So cleaning it and exfoliating it will help a lot. I haven't been swimming in years because I've been so insecure about my body. I've been so insecure about my body like the past, I think it's been like 2 or 3 years. But I said, you know what, this summer, bump it. I don't got time for none of that. Like, I just want to enjoy myself. I don't have no desire to have that perfect body. That perfect body. Like, I'm over it. I'm just ready to enjoy myself. I said this year, not only am I gonna go swimming, but I'm gonna post pictures in my swimsuits. Like I said in my girl talk video, like, I'm this way because God made me this way. So obviously this is how it's supposed to be, and I ain't finna change none of that because y'all got something to say about it. Not y'all as in, you know, my cash babies, but like people. I'm just finna lay my baby hairs down. This is like my favorite thing to do. Like, I think I started wearing baby hairs 6th or 7th grade year, and I ain't stopped yet. I just feel like it's a way of life. Like, how could you not have baby hairs? People who say baby hairs is childish must don't have them naturally, because how can something be childish if you have them naturally? Like, what are you even saying? I just feel like people that say that are haters. I don't want no scrubs. Got it, can't get no love from me. Like, I don't be realizing that people be knowing me. I really don't. Like, of course I have like 200,000 subscribers, and I got like, I think like 65, something like that, some K on Instagram. It's all virtual. Like, I promise you, I live the same life that I did before. And the only time I realize it is when people come up to me in the mall and they ask, can I take pictures? Or like, this just happened yesterday. This girl that I been following for a long time, she commented on my video, and I was like, you know me, sis? Like, what? How do you know me? And then I be forgetting you are like a social media beauty influencer that people watch. She's like, yeah, I watch your videos. And I'm just like, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's happened so many times. Isis Ariane, I have been watching her YouTube channel around the time where I first started mine, and I just looked up to her. I just thought like her personality was just so, it was just so positive, and it just made you just want to be positive with her. You know what I'm saying? And I just liked her content. She was so pretty. I just like everything about her, right? So then I had DM'd her when I was coming up, and I was like, I love your channel, blah, blah, blah. But I didn't expect a reply. But then she ended up replying. Then we ended up meeting. And it's just like, that's crazy because I looked up to her. You know? It's just so surreal. I just been in a great mood lately. Like, a great mood. And I've been doing so well with, like, not letting people influence that, you know? I wouldn't say everything is working out in my favor, but for the most part it is. And I just want to thank God. Like, thank you, God. Thank you. I be going through these rough patches. Y'all can tell when I'm going through a rough patch, because it's when I don't post on YouTube. I just wouldn't want to bring that to my channel, so that's why I don't. But like, when I don't post for, if I don't post for a week, I'm cool. But like, if I don't post for like more than 2 weeks, something's wrong. And sometimes it don't even have a reason, you know? I just be questioning myself, like, am I doing everything that I'm supposed to be doing? Am I where I'm supposed to be? And then I just get back in the funk and I be like, girl, What you mean? What do you mean? You're doing everything right. Like, don't stress yourself out. Because I know when I look back, the main thing I would tell myself, like, a few years back is just stop stressing. That's exactly what I know I'm going to want to tell myself in a few years. So I just try to tell myself that now. Like, don't stress about everything. It's going to work out. God got you, period. Like, I don't let myself, when I feel myself in a sink that deep, I just be like, you can't do it. This ain't happening right now. Like, try again. I'm just so ready to like move on with life, you know. This chapter is almost over, so what's next, you know? I'm just anxious to know, like, what's next? What does God have in store for me? Because I know 2 years ago I would have never guessed that I would be here. So I know 2 years from now, where am I gonna be? Like, what am I gonna be doing? But I don't like stressing over that either, because that can be a problem also. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna clean my face with the makeup wipe. Oh, am I running out of makeup wipes? That's not good. Okay, I need to get makeup wipes when I leave the house. And then I'm going to moisturize my face, because somebody said, I forgot who said it, but somebody said when you moisturize your face, it's good for your like base, your foundation and all that. So I'm gonna moisturize before I prime. Y'all don't comment on my nails, cause let me tell you, normally like I go to the Chinese people, not the Chinese people, cause they not freaking Chinese, the Asians, just to be safe, cause I heard they Vietnamese, but whatever. I go to them to get my nails done normally, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna support black businesses, and I'm gonna go to a black girl. So she did my nails. She did the best that I've ever had, like, on my nails, period. So she has like this policy, when you go to her, you have to have fresh nails. You can't have nails that somebody else did, you know what I'm saying? So you have to have fresh nails or whatever, and she's always booked up. So she did my nails right. I waited way too long to book an appointment, so at this point my nails is coming off, and I'm scared to go to somebody else because I'm scared she not going to take me. Prom is in 2 weeks, so I'm just gonna wait it out, and I'm just gonna go to her then. Now I'm just putting on this e.l.f. primer. My eye be itching. It's pollen season. Whoa. Well, okay. Anyway, so now I'm gonna use my black Radiance foundation. It's in the color Bisque, I think that's what it says. Okay, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, but I use it for my foundation. This foundation is super duper lightweight. It just looks like skin, and I just love it. My eye is getting puffy. Y'all see that redness? Oh no, this ain't the move. I wonder what's my undertone. Like, I don't pay attention to stuff like that. Maybe I should. I don't think I have a red undertone. I feel like I have like a yellowy undertone. I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and I'm gonna mix the two because it looks kind of pinkish when I put it on by itself. So I just like to mix it with my foundation. So that's all I'm finna use, and I'm gonna use this sponge. I'm finna wet it. Okay, so now that my this is not no beauty blender. I got this, I think I got these from Dollar General, and I'm just gonna use this to blend out my concealer. So I contemplated doing my own makeup for prom, but I was like, nah, because I just feel like makeup is such like a hit and miss, and I'd rather let somebody else mess me up than I mess myself up, because then I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad and be like, dang, you could have went to somebody and they could have did better. But if they mess me up, it ain't too much I can do about it. Normally for spring break, I normally go out of town, but my family wants to be lame and nobody wants to go out of town, so I'll probably end up going somewhere before spring break is over with, but it won't be extravagant. It won't be as extravagant as I would want it to be. This is too much product on my forehead. I shouldn't have put that much. I don't want that much. After I do all of that, I go back in with the same brush that I use for my foundation, and I just like to blend. Alright, so now what I like to do is I'm gonna take my setting spray. Yes, my setting spray. Normally I would put rose water, but I ran out of rose water, but this do the trick. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray and just wet my face basically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my contour. It ain't really finna be no tutorial because I already got a makeup tutorial, everyday makeup tutorial. So if y'all want to know like all the everything that I do, go watch that video. Get this brush good up in there. Get a real good up in there. Just dabbing it on. Y'all see my face? I like a donut. A glazed donut. Okay, anyway. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna go in circular motions and just blend it out. We finna chisel that jawline. Cause y'all see that? Y'all see that? We don't want that. So we gonna chop that thing, you know what I'm talking about? Get that illusion that this bitch sharp. Sis, where? Okay, so then after I do that, I like to go back in with that same brush that I use for my foundation. And we just gonna blend everything out, make sure it's good. And now I'm gonna go in with this banana powder. Oh, I put too much. I put too much. And see, before I was putting this on and I was dusting it away, but I just feel like when I actually pack it in there, it works a little bit better. So that's what I've been doing lately. It's just how a young nigga feeling lately. No, I can't let it hurt me. I know they hate me. I'm gonna say 100 till they put me in that crazy. Ah! Okay, if y'all haven't already, go listen to my cousin's song. Y'all always be talking about how he fine. Go listen to his song. It's called Lately by the Sneaker Boy. But like I was saying, I just feel like it works better when I pack it in there, like when I blend it in there, rather than me putting it on there and dusting it off. It don't work too good like that. Ooh, that ain't blended. That ain't blended, baby. That ain't blended. If y'all want to see if y'all makeup really hitting on something, get you a ring light, because the ring light ain't gonna lie. So now what we finna do is go in with this Maybelline bronzer, and it's in the shade 300. If I'm forgetting the shade names for some of this stuff, just look in my description box. It'll be in there. Circular Motions Real Light. Just to give you that golden look. You know, everybody want to be golden nowadays. Even the people who ain't supposed to be golden. If you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to take this brush. It's a dollar store brush. And basically, I'm just going to take this lightly in this banana powder. And I'm going to just sweep under here. I don't like that super chiseled look, but I still want to create that shadow. All right, so now I'm going to go back in with this setting spray. Wet my face again. Just to lock everything in before I do my brows. I just love my curly hair. Just something about girls with curly hair that I just love. And I love to see it on myself also. Now I'm just gonna do my brows, girl. If you still get your brows waxed, grow up. Okay, so I'm gonna use this bronzer that I use on my face as a eyeshadow, basically. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my lid with that concealer that I use.
Makeup and go.
Makeup and go?
Okay.
This boy just then created something. What is even, how do you make up and go? I'm finna have a whole new series on my channel, Make Up and Go.
Well, you know who the credit.
And you're not getting no credit. Okay, so the next thing I do is, I'm just gonna put on mascara. Are you down to be a distraction, baby? You down to be a distraction?
Relax.
Relax.
I'm finna set my face for real this time. I'm gonna use this brown lip liner and I'm gonna line my lips out. My big, juicy, fat, scrumptious, soft. I need some more additives.
Chat.
I'm blending this out with my finger. Now I'm gonna use my MAC Bittersweet Me and put this everywhere where I lined it. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Buttergloss in the color Fortune Cookie. And I'll go inside of that. Oh snap, I forgot to put on my highlight while my face was wet. Okay, now we gotta wet my face again. Now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild. It says bronzer, but who's gonna use this as a bronzer? I'm gonna tap this on my nose.
Oh, those are my bros.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with this Got To Be in my toothbrush. I'm just gonna do my edges, well, redo them.
Hey, I'm gonna call you back.
That boy lying. So this is what I'm looking like. I feel like I'm not focused. Why do I feel like I'm not focused? Anyway, this is what I look like. And I'm finna put on clothes. Anyways, I'm finna go put on some clothes and I'm gonna be back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just decided to put on this red crop sweater. Don't laugh at my stomach, y'all, man. But I just decided to put on this sweater and I'm just about to go to the post office and probably hang out with my boo. Yeah, that's that. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this look. Tell me what you guys want to see next. Also, like this video and subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you could be lit too. Period. Why am I moving like? But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ugh.